I'm going to show you exactly how to make money, make a sale in the next hour. It's only going to take a few minutes to watch this video. And the people who do what I tell you, who look at this and think through this and then do something about it, you will see results. Let's go. Okay, now, why am I telling you this? Who am I to tell you? My name is Arlan. A few years ago, I was homeless, sleeping on the floor of an airport. I had food stamps before then. I was hungry. I was broke. Today, I have invested in more than 200 companies. You can Google my name and see. And I help people make money online and help them make their first dollar or the first million. I've also made millions of dollars myself. I have 4 books out, been on the cover of 2 magazines, including Fast Company and Black Enterprise. And there's so many more things I could tell you. But right now, I want you to lock in, okay? You can see all my other videos here on YouTube just by clicking through. And you'll see that I try to teach you how to make money every single day. Now, this is something big. I have not ever shared this before. I've never shared this before. If you're excited to see what I have to say, I want you to say, I'm ready. Let's go in the comments right now. It lets me know that you're really paying attention. Okay, so what you're going to do to make money in the next hour is you're going to choose a sales angle. Okay, there are 6 I'm going to show you. You're going to choose one and you're going to go all in on that one for whatever your offer is. If you choose a couple and combine them, you'll be unstoppable. Okay, so the first one is the speed angle. You want to help someone get to something faster. Now, let me back up a little bit. I am not telling you what to create necessarily with your offer. You can use this to create your offer for sure. But let's say you already have an offer and it is just not selling or selling quickly enough. I want you to look at the offer and with each of these angles, look at how you could talk about the offer to someone. That's what I mean, okay? So, speed. You're going to say to them, this offer will help you get there faster, help you get to your results, help you get to your outcome faster if you use this compared to not using it or using something else. So you're going to look at it from the speed angle. Pause this video right now. Look at your offer and see how could I tell someone, how could I talk to them about how fast this helps them? Okay, you're going to choose one of these 6, so speed may be one of them. The next angle is the money angle. You can say, I'm going to help you make more, or I'm going to help you save more. This course, this digital product, this ebook, this one-on-one call with me, this website that I built for you, whatever your offer is going to either help you make more money or save more money, or both. That angle could be the angle that you use. If you use one of these angles, you're off to the races, you go all in. If you want to combine a couple of them, you can do that too. The third type of angle that you could choose from is the ease angle. Stop making this so hard. Use my product. I make it easier for you. Because you think about all of these angles touch on different psychological touch points that people may be going through when they see you, when they reach you. Have they reached you? Let's imagine somebody is walking a long distance in the desert just to come to you. They're walking, walking, walking. They're sweaty, they're hot, they're tired, hungry, and thirsty. You're going to figure out what do they need when they get there. You have something for them. What do they need? You have the water for them. Does it make it easier for them to go back? Does it save them money going back? Do they get back faster? Are you feeling me? The fourth is confidence angle. So you could say, here is exactly what you should do next. My offer tells you exactly what to do next with confidence. Sometimes people want that. Sometimes maybe that person came to you and they got lost on the way. So it added extra time. So they feel so worried about going back. But I can give you the map and the confidence to know that you're going to make it there back okay. Confidence is huge. The fifth one is accountability. Stop trying to do it alone. Imagine you could tell that same person, I'm going to send a guide with you. A guide is going to go with you. A buddy is going to walk with you back. So you don't have to worry about giving up halfway. We're going to make it, I'm going to make sure they take you all the way back to where you're going. That could also be a little bit of the confidence, right? You have confidence because someone is walking in front of you. So the confidence is follow the leader who's walking in front of you, follow the guide who's walking in front of you. Accountability is we're going to walk side by side and make sure you get there. And if you fall down, if you get low, I got water in my bag. I got everything that we need to get us both there. And then the sixth one is timing angle. So you can find them at the right time. This is the moment to finally handle it. So that person may have reached you and they're like, I gotta stay. And they're just staying for days and weeks and they're just not going back, but their family needs them back on the other side. And you actually go to them and you say what? You say, this is the time. It is time for you to go back to where you are, where you're needed. This is the moment for you because if you don't go back now, you'll spend the rest of your life here, stuck here. I know it. I've seen other people come here. This is the right time for you. So these different angles, if you look at them, which one could you choose right now for your offer that would completely change the way someone saw your offer? This is powerful. I hope you're getting this. I hope you're seeing how powerful this short video is. This could change everything for your offer. If you do not have an offer yet, I have several videos about building offers. You can come into Your First 5K, my free membership that I have linked below, and I'll show you exactly how to build your offer, even help you make it. Have all kinds of AI tools that'll help you that have been trained for you for free. But you can look at these six and you can say, well, maybe I'll build something around being the right time for someone. Maybe I'll build something that is an accountability partner in some way. Maybe I'll build something that helps someone build their confidence or makes things easier for them or makes them more money or saves them more money or makes them get there faster. This is your time. Now, I'm going to go through this one more time for you. And I'm going to tell you this, me to you. You can get there faster. You can make money faster. You can make more money than you're making right now. And you can probably save some money the way that I'd help you do it. You can get there easier. I have been through all of this, and so I've made a map along the way. I've left breadcrumbs for us both, and I'm going to help you. You can get there with the confidence, knowing exactly what's going to come up next and what you should do about it. You're going to be with other people. So inside of Your First 5K, there are 31,000 other people who want to see you win. There will be no one left behind. And in fact, I have an accountability matchmaker that is absolutely free, where people are connecting every single day to go through this entrepreneur journey together. And then timing. You saw this video for a reason. Today, whenever you see it, whether it's a minute after I post it or a year after I post it, this is the right time for you. So you see what I did there? Go do it.